Hey guys, I got great news. I went to the store. I went to the store in the morning, and there were books in the morning. So you really should really terrible, guys. Then really terrible church, and the thieves. Really, I can't. If we get really the snow. The snow. The ground. And why the snow solid? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The blue. The background. If we get the snow and I love you. The snow. The cloudy. The falling snow. That's yeah. If we get heavy snow and a blizzard, I love the blizzard. But the rain, the rainy, the blizzard, I love the blizzard next time. If we get the snow, yeah, sunny. But it looks like a party. Wow, I love. If we get the night snow. I love the sweet, the moon, the moon. That's yeah. If you get cloudy, nothing happens. And then I see the cloudy or gray. If you get it for the snow, no cloudy, no white. The snow, no fun. You're ready for the snow, yeah. That's right. Yeah, I agree with those. If we give you diesel and rain and wind I'm sad. I'm sad face. It's your talk. If you get your rain, no clouds, no clouds, no free wings, no drop, no water. The fire rain, see a talk. If we get heavy rain and a downpour, then I'm so really bad. I'm so really bad. The downpour, the snow, back, no snow, the grass. If we get the storm, I'm going to spoil you. Take this! If you get in front of the store and in front of the shower, that's it. Take this now! If you get in front of the store and a heavy thunderstorm and a storm, by your wedding, June 19, 25 years ago. That's it. Take this, stupid. If you get out of the funny story, and now you take this bonnet. It's sunny and it's fair. This is not fair. Seriously, how do you do that? In the funny story, now take this now. If you get instead of that funny story, if you get, that's it. It's trying to spoil you. Die. If you get a shot at this funny story tonight, if you get, that's it. I'm going to snub on you. If you get a shot at this funny story tonight, I told you food, the funny story, and then night. Yeah. Oh, you're Florida. A tornado, a February 19, 2026. Okay, where's it go? Absolutely not! Tonio! How did you do that? Destroy the house! That's it! How did I do that? That's it! Destroy the house! Your mommy house! That's it! How did you ask for it? You see out these breeze? No. Your tunnel is destroyed. You're a red camel. Yeah. Yeah, Washington. Yeah, 1 year ago. We only wanted that's rash day. And if you get tunnel, destroy your house, some tunnel. Tunnel warning. 4 years ago. April 1. Yeah, destroy the tunnel warning. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. No. Anyways, guys, yeah, quick. Yeah, now. Yeah, they're saying. Now, they're saying. Yeah, now. Yeah, destroy. A total warning. Yeah, stop watching the Cherry 8. Oh. It's 7 months ago. A total warning. That no warning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Destroyer! Satire! That's 4 years ago! The Nationals! The Passageira! The Tornado! And number 2, the April 2 years ago! The Texans! The Sunday! The Tornado 1! The Hailstorm! And 7 months ago, about 7, your friends, you do that. How did you do that? How did you do that? How did you do that? Alaska, you're breaking them. You're tornado. You're 2 days ago. You're a tornado. You're warning. I'm going to send you into story in Israel. Be gone.
Scanning the globe to bring you the very worst news stories of the day. It's the Flood Zone Newsreel.
But anyways, goodbye.